So hi guys. I am in the old Roblox, but it has still the new games in it, and then it's the green thing, but sadly it doesn't work properly. Yeah, and then if I if I if I can play, I think I would have. Oh yeah, it doesn't work properly because look at this. Um, wait, I download everything. Look, look at this. That's yeah, doesn't work properly because it's what? Okay, fine. But if I go back, it will work. Yeah, true, true. It doesn't let me join. If I can join a server. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, wait for it. Nani nani na, nani nani na, nani 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 na. Descending. It's all 28 players. Okay. Um, 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 no, 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 no. Okay, let's end the video. Bye bye.